Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
I'm Abby the gardener.
And today we are going around the garden scattering some more poppy seeds. So if you watched yesterday's video, you know that I kind of talked myself into it because I found a bunch of packs of seeds that I had bought, I think actually from Lowe's. So maybe check your local Lowe's to see if they have any poppy seeds still on the rack. And because we lost a fair number of poppies during that cold snap over the holidays, just decided to go ahead and get all of these seed packs sown. Because what do we have to lose? Like, if they don't grow or germinate, well, who cares? At least we're trying.
Yeah.
And I'm always curious to see the sowing dates, though I did this a few years ago, and I did decide December was the best month for sowing poppies. We might as well experiment and see what an early January sowing will do, like if it makes them bloom significantly later. So we can all learn from this experiment. I don't want to say I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't have all the answers because usually I do this in December. So I hate when I give conflicting information. But there's a lot of people who have had their poppies kind of dampen off because of the cold, and this is sort of our reaction to it. So we basically identified different sections of the yard where poppies were sown, but we're not really seeing them now, even in their small state. We're just going to literally go around and like toss seeds out over top. We're not doing any bed prep or anything. And we've got, what do we have here? So we have, I'll turn the camera around, you can see what we have. All right, so the poppies that we have, we've got Icelandic mixed colors. That's one of my poppy packets, so that's from our seed. The Pephaver Reese, the World War II commemorative poppy. And Shirley double poppies, which I think Shirley and Reese poppies are the same. What's funny is they don't always have to put the botanical name on the seed packs, which is very confusing for people. The good news is all of these need to be sown the same way. They need to be sown right on the surface. They need light to germinate. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're just going to... Do you think we should be... Should we be crazy and put them all together and distribute them that way?
Yeah, let's try that.
All right, let's try that. Okay, everybody. Get ready to live on the wild side. All right, you guys. We're doing something I have never done before. We're mixing all the types of poppies together. So, and actually that's a good thing. Let me turn the camera around and show them how you can see the different colors of seed. That distinguishes the different species. All right, so the dark grayish black one, that's the breadseed poppy that we grow. That's from our collecting. I've been growing and collecting seed on that since 2000. And then the brown one was what? This Shirley double mixed color. Okay, so now we're getting the Reese poppy. And that looked a lot like the breadseed poppy. It's almost indistinguishable. Okay, good to know. It's okay, I'll just scatter it right there. Okay, there's more of our poppy seed. And side note, somebody was asking about elephant garlic. And here it is. This is one section of elephant garlic. It definitely got damaged from the cold, but I have faith that it's going to grow out of it. So if your garlic looks like this, don't worry. I think it'll be fine. Garlic is very cold hardy. Okay, and then look at how brown the Shirley double poppies and the Icelandic mixed poppies were. Okay, so now we're really going to be crazy. And Abby, go ahead and add the Nigella. So we're going to evenly distribute this mix everywhere. So you can give the poppy Nigella a shake. And then we're going to just go around and we're going to toss in areas that have open ground space. All right, and now Abby is going to get started on distributing the seeds. And she is well versed in how to do this. She's been doing it since she was 6. There you go, just like that. And with any luck, all of the seeds that were sown here will germinate and it'll be outrageously beautiful. Now you can see this bed has some mulch on it. We're not distributing, or we're not disturbing it at all. And you can see there's a lot of larkspur already self-sown. So we're just adding this poppy mix to kind of fill in some gaps. Oh, Reginald's coming to help. So there's a lot of larkspur self-sown in here. I think the addition of poppies will be really nice. Again, we haven't done any bed prep here, so this is definitely like the lazy last resort way to sow your poppy seeds. And like I said before, it's all an experiment. I don't have all the answers, but I always learn from doing things at different times and just paying attention to how the plants perform. All right, so the last bed that we want to get seeded is here at the mailbox. Boy, I'm just noticing the mailbox really needs to be painted. And basically the bed prep we're doing here, I'm just gonna weed out all of this undesirable ground cover, which is a winter weed. The name is escaping me right now. But by doing that, I'm essentially exposing the bare soil. So it's gonna be perfect for direct seeding poppies into. All right, that bed was shockingly weedy. And I didn't realize it was so bad, so I literally just threw all the weeds into the ditch. And now Abby is gonna get this seeded, and with any luck, it'll be beautiful. And maybe the next couple of days, while it's still warm, I'll paint our mailbox holder so it looks pretty ugly. All right, all the seeds are distributed.
Yep.
Good job. Well, I'm excited to watch all of this germinate and grow out and continue giving all of you updates. Be sure to subscribe so that you will stay in the know, and take this video as a sign that if you didn't get your poppies sown, or if you did but they don't look great, go ahead and sow some more. What do you have to lose? You only have everything to gain. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Take care and happy gardening.